Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle endlessly? The secret lies in the power of habits, those small, consistent actions that shape our lives. Imagine waking up every day with a clear sense of purpose and direction. It all starts with understanding the science behind habit formation and how to leverage it to your advantage. By making tiny changes, you can create a ripple effect that transforms your entire life. Consistency is key. It's the small, daily actions that lead to monumental results over time. But it's not just about willpower, it's about creating an environment that supports your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences and remove the triggers that lead to bad habits. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try and the commitment to keep going. Unlock your potential and start your journey towards a better you today.